Back up, Dave.
I didn't do anything. Don't do that.
Sir!
On the ground now!
Cops have to arrest criminals, but what happens when they find out that the ones they are arresting are FBI agents? Here are 4 examples of such cases. On December 5th, 2020, 2 officers pulled over a vehicle as they didn't see a plate number. U.S. Army Lieutenant Caron Nazario was the one driving the car. As soon as he was pulled over, he remained calm, turned his camera on, and brought his hands out of the window as the officers had ordered.
Put your hands out the window! Put your hands out the window! Turn the vehicle off, put your hands out the window! I can't tell. Put your hands out the window and turn the vehicle off! Put your hands out the window! He's not complying, Joe.
Come around your side.
Let me see your hands! How many occupants are in the vehicle?
What's going on?
How many occupants are in your vehicle?
It's only myself. Why are your weapons drawn? What's going on?
Open the door slowly and step out.
The officer ordered the FBI agent to get out of the car, but he didn't, and asked them about what's happening as he was confused about why they would pull him over like that.
Open the door!
I'm not getting out the vehicle. What's going on?
Get out the car! Open the door slowly and get out!
What's going on?
Get out of the car! Now!
Open the door and get out the car!
Hold still. Hold. Keep your hands outside the window! Keep your hands outside the window!
My hands are right here. What's going on?
Get out of the car now!
Get out of the car!
What's
now!
going on?
Get out of the car now!
When he told them he's a part of the military, the officer didn't care, and instead shouted rude remarks at him.
Get out of the car now!
I'm serving this country and this is how I'm treated?
Yo, what? Guess what? I'm a veteran too. I don't know, babe.
That's
Get
not-
out of the car!
What's going on?
Get out of the car now!
What's going on?
What's going on? You're fixing to ride the lightning, son.
I'm sorry, what?
The officers kept demanding him to get out of the vehicle, but he was scared and confused. The officer even tried to open the gate himself while pointing the gun directly at his face.
You received an order. Obey it.
I'm honestly afraid to get out. Can I?
Yeah, you
ask
should
what's
be.
going-
Get out.
What's
Get
going
out.
on? What
Get
did
out
I
the
do?
car!
Get out.
The agent told him calmly that he has not been informed of his crime, and he has no obligation to get out of the car. But the officers were extremely rude, and even tried to grab him many times, even after he told him to get his hands off him.
You're being stopped for a traffic violation. You're not cooperating at this point right now. You're under arrest
For a traffic-
You're being detained. Okay, you're being detained for
For a
obstruction of justice.
traffic violation, I do not have to get out the vehicle. You haven't even told
Really?
me why I'm being stopped.
Really?
Get your
Get
hands.
out of the car now. Get out of the car.
Get your hands off me,
Get out
please.
the-
Get your hands off me.
You know what?
Get your hands off me.
Not
Get
a
your
problem.
hands off me.
Back up,
I
Dave.
didn't do anything. Don't do that.
Sir!
Get out of the car
Don't do
now.
that.
Hey, sir,
Get out of
do
the car
that.
now.
Don't do.
look,
I'm trying to talk
get
to
out.
you.
Okay.
I'm trying to
I'm gonna
talk.
talk to you.
Get out.
Just get out of my
Relax.
car.
Can you please
Get out.
relax? Can
Get
you
out.
please relax?
Get out of the car right
I-
now.
This is
Now.
not.
The officer then pulled out a pepper spray and started spraying on him.
I'm actively serving this country, and this is how you're gonna treat me.
Back up, Daniel.
I didn't do anything.
Back up.
Whoa, hold on.
Okay,
What's going? Hold on. Watch it.
Air 4 OCs deployed.
Nazario was now incapacitated, and he couldn't see anything because of the pepper spray, but the officers kept demanding and shouting at him to get out of the car.
Out of the car. Get out of the car now.
That's fucked up. That's fucked
Get out
up.
of the car now.
Sir, just get out the car!
I'm trying to breathe. Ugh,
Get out of the car now.
that's fucked up. That's really fucked up.
Get out of the car and get on the ground now. Get.
I don't even want to reach my seatbelt. Can you?
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car.
Can you please?
Get out of the car now. Listen. Take off your seatbelt and get out of the car.
Look, I'm just gonna please.
You're gonna do it.
When Nazario got out of the car, One of the officers started kicking him in an attempt to get him on the ground when he could have simply asked him to do so.
Car.
Look.
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the.
Look.
Take your seatbelt off.
Look, my hands are out.
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car.
My hands are out.
Don't reach in there, Daniel. Don't reach in there.
My hands are out. Please. Please. Look. This is really messed up. My dog is in the back. My dog is choking right
Get
now.
out of the car. Take your seatbelt off. What are you, a specialist corporal? Are you?
I'm a lieutenant.
Lieutenant, get out of the car. Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car. You made this way more difficult than it had to be if you just complied. Get out of the car.
I'm reaching for my seatbelt.
Fine. Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car.
They forced him on the ground while he kept asking the officers to just explain why he was being arrested.
Straight onto the ground.
Ma'am.
Is your commanding officer available?
Down. Let's go.
Is your commanding
Let's
officer
go.
available?
Get on the ground. Get on the
Can
ground.
you please talk to me
Get on the
about
ground
what's
now.
going on?
Get on the ground and you're getting sprayed again. Get on the ground.
Can you please talk to me about what's
Get on
going
the ground.
on?
Get on the ground now.
Can you please talk to me
Get on
about
the
what's
ground.
going
Get on the ground.
Can you please talk to me about what's
Yes, sir.
going on?
You're not.
Can you please talk to me about what's going on? Why am I being treated like this? Why?
You're not cooperating. Get on the ground.
Why am I being treated like this? This is really messed up. This is really messed up.
Sir, well, just
This is fucked up.
Sir,
This is fucked up.
Sir.
This is fucked up. You know this is fucked
lay
up.
down. Lay on the ground. Just
You
lay
know
flat.
this is fucked
Lay
up.
flat for me, sir.
You know this is fucked up.
Sir, lay flat. Lay flat.
This is fucked up. I can't fucking believe I'm being treated like this. And I'm fucking wrong.
Get on the ground.
When the officers asked him why he wasn't obeying their orders, he told them it's because he respects law enforcement and wanted to park in a more well-lit area for the investigation to be carried out. But the officers were still prejudiced and rude with him.
Do what we asked, sir. Why didn't you just do what we asked?
Complying, my hands out.
No, you weren't. You were not. My partner put his blue lights on.
Yes.
You didn't stop.
I was pulling over to a well-lit area for my safety and yours. I have respect for law enforcement.
No, you don't.
And so,
No, you don't. No. Wrong answer, sir. If you did, we would not be in this situation right now.
Can
All
I
right?
get some water, please?
Absolutely. Sir.
The officers gave him such a hard time only because he didn't have a plate number yet and failed to see the temporary one pasted on his car. They then blamed it on him and said that it only escalated because he was refusing to cooperate.
And I stopped you, you didn't have a tag, you got your driver's license, I'd have ran you, and you'd have been on your way, okay? What would have been a 2-minute traffic stop turned into all this.
As I was telling him, you know, I've pulled over to well-lit areas before, and I've never looked out the window and saw guns blazing immediately.
So the reason we did that is because we followed you for 1.5 miles with lights and sirens on, and you didn't pull over. I understand you want to get to a well-lit area, a well-lit area. I get that, but when we follow you that long, look at the climate this day, and against everybody, against us, against y'all. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not out to hurt you, and I know you don't want to hurt me. That's not what it's about. What it's about is making sure that everybody goes home at the end of the day. So when you don't stop and you continue to proceed, our suspicions are raised. What's going on in the car? What don't he want us to see? So you pull into here, and if you would have just complied with the simple commands that we were giving you originally, it would have been done and over with, and you would have got back on your car and you'd be gone by now. But you wouldn't get out the car, you wouldn't comply.
It was just looking out the mirror and seeing your guns out already. That's what I was asking, like, what's going on? I was just...
And not to mention you have
just confused.
I know you weren't reaching, but not to mention you had a gun at your right leg. You get our perspective though on the safety issue for us as well. You get that?
Yeah, I do.
Once the officers realized how much at fault they were at, instead of apologizing, they decided to make a deal with him. One of them came up and offered that if he ignored all that and let the issue go, then they wouldn't put it on records so it doesn't hinder his career advancement.
Better. And I keep calling you lieutenant. I told you I'm a veteran. I respect rank. Okay, I was a corporal in the Marine Corps. I respect rank. However, I do have a job to do. Okay, I just talked about Chief of Police. You asked for a superior. He's off obviously right now. It's Saturday. I called him. He came out. We talked. Here's how that's what I was thinking. I told him what I wanted to do. He said that's no problem. two ways we can handle this. We can either sit here with you until you get your eyes back where you can see, and I mean at a good distance so you're safe to drive, okay? And you're going down the road. Go do your deployment, go continue serving my country, which I respect and I thank you for, okay? Or we can push the issue, write you tickets for no license plate displayed and for obstruction of justice. I don't think we need to go that route because that route makes the Army get involved, and I know how they are. You don't know this. The Army, he'll vouch for it because he's been in and he's got friends that are legal officers. I know. The military is the only place where the military is the only place where double jeopardy exists legally. Because whenever we do to him, the Army can turn around and jam him for the same thing. I don't want to see that happen. You're obviously a second lieutenant. You ain't been in very long. But if you plan on making this a career or even 6 years or whatever, it's up to you. I don't care. There's no need getting this on your record. I don't want it on your record. However, it's entirely up to you. If you want to fight it and argue, I mean, and I don't mean that disrespectfully, okay? I mean, you have that right as a citizen. If that's what you want, we'll charge you, have you go to court, notify the command, do all that, or we could take time out of our night, which is not a problem. We're being paid to take care of people, okay? We'll sit here with you, get your eyes back. You and, what's your dog's name? Smoke. Smoke? It's a badass name for a badass dog. You and Smoke can get on down the road, okay? It's entirely up to you. What do you want to do? I got no problem. I'll sit here with you till you get your eyes back and send you on down the road, okay? I don't want to charge you. I will. It's my job. I don't want to. The chief's giving me discretion on how to handle it. He's like, these are the two choices. I said, that's what I was thinking. That's what I want to do. He's like, not a problem. We can either let it go, help him out, get his eyes back, and get him on down the road so the Army doesn't get involved, or we can charge you, and then it's a big hassle for you. It doesn't change my life one way or the way, because you see what I'm saying? It's not about me. This is about you, what you want to do. If you want to just chill, let this go, and no charges filed, we'll take the handcuffs off, we'll get you a bottle of water to drink on, and sit here until you feel comfortable driving. All right? Mm-hmm. Or the other option is we write the summons, discharge you, by then we have no choice. We have to notify your command. And again, I don't have to be an ass. I don't have to be threatening. I say that because that's just the way it is. Okay? I've just talked to my boss. Those are the two choices that he gave me.
Nazario was free to go without any charges pressed against him, but when the video of the ordeal went viral, the case went on trial, and the jury awarded Nazario $4,000 for punitive damages and compensation. Just like all of us, cops may make mistakes. But considering the training they go through, they should be vigilant enough to not confuse an FBI agent with a criminal, like you're about to see in the next case. It was FBI agent James Burke who was dispatched to a house to confiscate firearms that were illegally obtained in the house, but as soon as he arrived there, the housemates called the cops on him. The cops were given his badge number, but they still treated him as an intruder. They told him to get on the ground, but he said he is a federal agent and didn't obey their demands.
Let me see your hands. I need to see some ID. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
What's your deal?
Get on the ground now!
I'm a federal agent.
917-110-3.
I'm a federal agent.
Get on the ground!
I'm a federal agent.
Why wouldn't you show me your ID when I got here? Don't move forward.
You didn't ask for it.
He is at 335.
Get on the ground. We'll figure it out.
Drive on that 10-8.
Not getting on the ground.
Well, then stay where you're at.
I'll stay where I'm at.
Fine. Why do you got to make this harder than it is?
Listen, I'm not getting on.
I have no problem making this.
I just want to see if anybody's free person to respond as well.
You're the one overreacting.
I'm not overreacting. We got a call that someone's impersonating a police officer out here and doesn't have ID.
No kidding, because she doesn't want to open it.
Okay, get on the ground so I can find out who you are.
It ain't happening.
Okay, fine. Fine. Do you think I'm a police officer or something? What the heck's the matter with you? Who do you think you are? Get on the ground!
I'm not getting on it.
Chopper thanks.
I'm not getting
91-7, I'm pulling up.
I got my ID.
Do not reach for your waist! Keep your hands up!
Dude, why would I have an O-leg?
Get your hands up!
Sir!
Get on the ground!
Face down! On the ground! Face down now!
Only when the second officer had arrived, he finally complied and got on the ground, but things only escalated from there. He told them he had a medical condition and they need to check his ID, but they continued to detain him.
Like a moron.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Don't do this. Wait a second. I got a medical condition. Get my license out of my pocket.
We're getting you hurt first.
Wait. No. Hold on. I'm hyperventilating. Please, sir. I'm not. Would you please get my ID out of my left pocket? I'm begging you. My wife's please. It's right here. Please get it.
I got one cuff on.
Sir, help me up. Just hold me up. Sir, I can't do this. Wait. Sir! Stop resisting now. Please help me up. Please. I'm a federal agent. My God, my gun.
You have no idea what you are. Acting the way you are.
Sir!
Who the heck do you think you are acting like this?
Nobody! I wanted you to see my goddamn creds. The lady was freaking out, for Christ's sake. Oh. Sir!
Finally, the police checked his ID and confirmed he was a federal agent, but they continued to detain him and put him in the police car.
What's a federal agent?
Who's your supervisor? What's his name? What's your supervisor's name?
Hang on a second. The SAC is currently John McPherson, who's on his way out to retire, who will soon be rolling.
I took the mag out.
My God! This is crazy.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Stand up.
I'm not trying to be ashamed of myself. I just
back to the cruiser.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Sir.
Let's do this.
I didn't want you to. I wanted to. Wait.
Hold him. I'm knocking the door.
Relax.
Hold him.
Hey, guys, please, just talk to me for 1 second, please.
Get in the car.
No,
we'll
wait.
talk later.
Sir, wait.
You had your chance.
No, I was trying to give you my creds. You didn't let me show them to you.
Once tried.
I did.
Get in there. Have a seat.
Wait,
Now.
Have a seat.
Please, wait. I gotta breathe.
Okay,
Please,
you
sir,
can-
let
you
me
can
breathe.
sit down and breathe.
Let me breathe. I have a medical condition.
We're gonna get air T. Get your legs in. Get your legs in. We're closing this door.
Sir,
Get your legs in.
9170. We
I
have
need
a
air.
squad rolling. This guy's claiming he's
sir,
having
please
breathing
call an
problems.
ambulance. I'm asking.
I
for
just
an
did.
ambulance.
Got a
2
medic
seconds
coming.
ago.
Get in the car.
Sir, I don't need the taser didn't bother.
You just said call an ambulance. We don't need a medic.
No, you don't want one.
All the way in the car. Get all the way in.
I can't breathe.
Go run.
Wait, sir.
All the way in. Put your feet all the way in.
No, sir, I'm begging you.
Get all the way in.
Wait, how did this happen? Okay.
Get in. For crying out loud. You're a cop. You're not an ass.
No, wait, I can't. You're fucking my head up. The seatbelt's in place. Please. What the fuck?
After an hour or so, the police released him without any charges. But considering how much of a physical and mental torture he had to go through, Burke decided to sue the police officers for unlawful arrest and use of excessive force. If Burke was a little more compliant, the officers might not have had to be that aggressive, but the next case involves only officers at fault. Cops arrested a guy named Adder Mogendahl, who resembled a wanted criminal. Little did they know the guy was actually an undercover agent. The guy kept telling them that they were harassing him for no reason and they got the wrong guy, but officers went on to arrest him, and he kept telling them that he was not the guy they were looking for.
Yeah, you're wrong. You're assuming I'm someone that I'm not. Are you Jake? No, I'm not Jake. You look like Jake. There you go. I look like Jake. But you're Jake. No. Yes, you are. No, I'm honest. You're Jake. Okay, get out of my face, man. You guys are harassing me. Yes, you guys are. Hey, you're fucking harassing me. Yes, you are. No. He's harassing me. Why are you harassing me? You're assuming I'm someone I'm not.
Okay, if you're not, then
No.
you're not free to go. Okay.
Am I being detained?
Yeah, you are.
For what?
Because I think you have more.
You think?
Yeah.
That's an illusion. That's an illusion. You think?
All right. Stand up for your hands, guys.
I'm not. For what? I don't have a warrant. You're very wrong.
Okay, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
No, you are wrong. What do you mean if you're wrong? You're wrong. You're wrong.
We're not going to play this game. Stand up.
Hold on. Hold on. You guys are not going to try to manhandle me. First of all. I'm not under arrest. I didn't do nothing. For what? For what? Can you tell me for what? For what? I'm under arrest for what? No. If you got the wrong guy, I'm suing all of you guys. Let me get your card. Can I get your card? Okay. I'm not standing up front. Listen, I'm not under arrest. I don't have a warrant. I don't have any officers. Hey, yo. Hey, officer. No. Go ahead. Matter of fact, look at my ID.
He got the wrong guy, I'm telling you.
Look at my ID, motherfucker. You guys do got the wrong guy. You guys are fucking stupid.
That's not you.
You guys are racial profile thinking I'm somebody. I take both of you motherfuckers. Take the cuffs off.
Sir.
I got him.
Take them cuffs off. I'll take both of you motherfuckers right now.
This guy got the cleanest record. Y'all just.
I'll take both of you motherfuckers.
The cops had a terrible reason to detain him and were way beyond their rights. They were very disrespectful to him and continued to arrest him, but as soon as the guy pulled out his official FBI ID card, their behavior drastically changed and they couldn't even meet eyes with him.
Watch how funny this is. Go ahead, look at it. No, don't hate me. Look at it.
Oh,
what does that say?
Fucked up.
What does that say? Oh.
Wrong guy.
Oh.
Wrong guy.
Oh my God. No, get the fuck off me, dude. Get off me, dude.
Bro, you fucked up.
Matter of fact, I need your cards. I need your supervisor over here. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor over here. You guys are the stupidest motherfuckers I ever met in my life. How'd you guys? What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Look at look at him. Get him. The tough guy. And this guy here.
No, what do you mean? I look like him. I need your guys. Right here. Supervisor. Sir, can you please come here? Are you the supervisor? These guys are listening for following me. They assume I'm someone that I'm not. I told them I'm not who they think I am. And they said, nope, you are. I'm positive you are. So, I need their cards. I need your card.
He warned them that he will file a complaint against the officers and that they need to do their job better.
I will make a complaint. Believe me, I will. I will make a complaint on all three of you guys.
That's fine.
Do your job better.
No,
you guys supposed to be upstanding fucking citizens. You
they're
guys
not. They're bogus as shit.
Law. You guys are the dumbest motherfuckers I've ever met.
The cops may have realized their mistake at the end, but the next agent on our list had to deal with much ruder officers. In December 2019, real estate agent Marilyn Bean was involved in an arrest and was issued a ticket by the deputy Rolf Gordon, but later it was dismissed by the prosecution. Gordon received a strange call after that and was told to come at the parking lot for a meeting with an FBI agent. Special Agent Alexis Hatton was the one present in his car when the officer arrived, who was already suspicious of the call, and the suspicion only grew when he asked him to turn his body camera off.
Okay, that's awesome.
Okay.
That'll work.
You run your body cam?
I am now, because I don't know how legit you are at the moment.
It's okay. Special Agent Hatton. The FBI.
Okay.
You got that on body cam?
I do, but I don't understand what the problem is with you meet me at the office.
I'll talk to the U.S. Attorney's Office about it. You can cut off the recording device now.
Okay. Well, I will when I leave the area, sir.
An FBI agent was there for an ongoing investigation into public corruption, and he had asked him to meet up for the ticket he had issued to the lady involved in the accident. To the deputy, the whole situation seemed sketchy, and he asked him about how he got his information, while the agent kept assuring him is a legitimate agent.
Hey, TJ, this guy is telling me to turn my body camera off and telling me he's going to contact other people to get involved with this. Let me get his tag number real quick. It's going to be LKST.
I do feel like I'm being detained. Am I being detained?
Am I being detained? You're the one who called me here, sir. How did you get my phone number?
I can't give you that information.
I ain't saying he can't tell me how he got my information. Hey, you are detained at this time, sir. 33 Franklin. I got one Whiskey Mike detained at this time. 17's on the way. Hey, I don't think this guy's...
The agent then gets out of the car and surrenders just so he can assure him he is not dangerous. He even called up the investigation team to confirm that it was a legitimate business he was there for.
Take my weapon off, okay?
26 Franklin.
I'm not going to put you in cuffs.
Putting the narrative for this call. That
Where's
subject
it at?
he's got detained.
Okay.
I've got my
Claiming
weapon
to be
on
a
my
federal
right.
agent.
You do got, is it on, do I have permission to take it off?
No, you don't have permission to take it
Just hang tight right here. I'm not cuffing you. I'm not cuffing you. But you're being very uncooperative with me. You asked me to come up here. You called my personal cell phone number. You can't tell me how you got it. Your vehicle's coming back to a wiring company, not the
It's
FBI.
a covert vehicle.
Okay.
Would
Get
you
mad
like
at,
to see some registration?
you get mad at me because I turned my body camera on.
Would you like to see some registration?
And you know a lot of stuff about me.
Would you like to see the registration, sir?
I don't really want anything from you at this point. My supervisor's on the way.
Excellent. Do you have identification? I surely do. I showed it to him. Would you like to see it, sir?
That's fine. You don't have to keep your hands up. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
I don't want to get shot out here.
I don't want to be shot either.
I'm going to call my office.
Yes, sir.
Bye, Jim. Jacksonville, this is Special Agent Haddon.
Soon, other officers had arrived at the site, and Agent Hatton was suddenly arrested. Upon asking what he is being charged for, the officers start making up reasons on the spot, which proved they didn't have a legit reason for his arrest.
Alright, just being detained. Double lock them.
What's the charge, brother?
You don't have any yet,
You're
but right
just
now
being
we're running
detained,
you
sir.
through multiple federal databases.
Yeah.
Okay, nobody's coming up with your name. You also coming back on a terror watch list. So we're going to secure you for our protection and yours. We're going to put you in the back of a police car.
Where's that weapon at, sir?
It's on my right side, brother.
You got any other weapons on you, sir?
No, just my wallet.
Alright, just gonna pat you down real quick.
Go ahead.
But if somebody pulls your name up, brother, you good to go.
Yeah, we're just trying to verify you.
But since you don't want to give us no info for nobody to contact.
That's just the wallet that you
I
was
can tell
showing me a
one
while
thing.
ago.
Yeah, that's my wallet. Don't touch that thing right there. That's my law enforcement. It's got all my notes on it. So what I've done today, you're not allowed to see that.
I'm not allowed to see what? Well, if you go to jail, I'm going to impound this to the sheriff's office. I'm going to get a search warrant. I'm going to touch everything.
Yeah, no, good.
All right?
He's clear.
My name's Sergeant Carroll.
Okay.
Hey, will you unlock
Y'all don't lose that badge.
You gotta
My
unlock
telephone's
this
on there,
first.
okay, brother?
Franklin, the 5.
Alright, just pull that hat out too, John.
Are you able to take a call from SBI?
Just take the whole rack down. Just sit on top of it.
Go to my vehicle.
And that jacket.
10-4 Tiffany's going to transfer it to you, sir.
33 Franklin, we've
When officers confirm he was an actual agent, the cops pulled him out of the cop car and uncuffed him. He was rushed to the hospital and hopefully recovered.
I need a medical attention right now. Unlock me. Call 911. Call 911.
we're releasing you right
no,
now,
call
sir.
911 now. Call 911. I need
33 Franklin.
33.
They're begging you to cut off your.
What do you think about the cops handling these situations in the most immature ways? Comment down below and subscribe for more content like this.